Photograph of a man said to be known as Speedy, who was fatally shot last night by an unknown assailant in Cockburn Pen, St. Andrew. An investigation has been launched into the murder of a man and the injury of another outside a corporate area nightclub on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as Caution Young, 26 years old, of Hope Avenue Land Settlement in Manchester. He was shot and killed along Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. It is reported that about 2:30 a.m., Young had just parked his vehicle outside the club when he was pounced upon by two armed men. He was chased by his attackers, who shot him repeatedly. A 76-year-old man also sustained gunshot injuries to his hand. A police team responded to reports of explosions and heard and assisted the injured person to the hospital, where Young was pronounced dead and the other man treated. Firefighters returned Sunday to retrieve a body found in a sinkhole in Newcastle District, St. Anne. Despite several attempts on Saturday, the firemen were unable to bring the body up from the sinkhole, in which it was found by residents and police, who launched a search for the missing man. The body is believed to be that of 60-year-old Robert Nelson, a farmer from the district. Nelson, the police said, was reportedly last seen around 6 p.m. on Monday, February 19, 2024, at a shop in the community, and told persons that he was going to his farm. On Saturday morning, around 11:45, a party consisting of police and 15 residents commenced a search for Nelson on his farm and came upon a sinkhole with foul odor. Vultures were reportedly flying nearby. A pair of brown shoes near the sinkhole is believed to be Nelson's property, the police said. Lawmen suspected Nelson's body might be in the sinkhole contacted the authorized fire department for assistance. Upon arriving at the location, several firefighters descended the hole. They reported that they saw a human body lying face down, clad in a red merino, plaid underpants, and a black shorts about 100 feet in the sinkhole. The firefighters experienced difficulties in retrieving the body from the sinkhole and made arrangements to resume the effort on Sunday. It has not been confirmed if the body is that of Nelson. A missing person report for Nelson was made to the Claremont police station around 7:40 a.m. on Thursday, February 22, 2024.